In a small, quiet town, there was an old hotel. Everything in this hotel was normal, except for one thing: room 13. No one ever stayed in that room. When people asked the hotel owner why, he only said it's for your safety, but he never explained more. One day, David, a young man who loved adventures, came to the hotel. When he heard that room 13 was empty, he decided to stay there. The hotel owner tried to stop him, but David insisted. Night came. David entered the room. It looked like any other room: a bed, a desk, and a window. But there was a strange feeling in the air, as if someone was watching him. At midnight, whispers came from the walls. The voices became clearer. Go back. It's not safe here. David thought he was imagining things, but suddenly the closet door opened with a loud noise. No one was inside. A cold wind came out of the closet. David was scared, but decided to be brave and go to sleep. At 3 a.m. there was a knock on the door. He opened it, but no one was there. The door closed, and on the mirror, written in red, were the words, "You ignored the warning." Terrified, David ran out of the room and went to the hotel lobby. The hotel owner looked at him and said, "Now you understand why no one stays in room 13. The next morning, David left the hotel. He never found out what happened in that room, but he swore he would never return to that hotel again.